Okay, on this part right here, he had us do, uh, he was instructing us to, raise up each one of our legs as high as we could to try to, work on our balance to hold it there. But of course, it's limited to what I can do. So I just say this just to, just don't be discouraged because I wasn't, feeling down or discouraged. I did what I could do and I still had a really good and successful workout. But yeah, but keep up the good work and keep going. Don't give up. That's all you can do. Do what you can do and just don't worry about the rest. Okay? Get that in. I mean, just do not get so caught up on what exactly, you should be doing, but just do what you can. And that's all you can do. Okay? Even though I wasn't doing exactly what he told me to do, I never stopped moving. That's the key. Keep moving.
나 버득하는 여름에 나 피냐콜라다 내 옆에 야콜라다 아코세페 너의 피부색처럼 dripping 지금 내 핸드폰에 비친 네 모습에 나는 tripping 자기야 나를 좀 봐봐 아무리 그래도 취하면 곤란해 드링크에 피나콜라다 맘에 안 들어도 마지막 자리야 잠시만 나가서 걷자 오늘이 아마도 여름의 마지막 밤이야 지나갈 가스함 조금은 가슴에 담고서 우리의 추억을 만들자 I'm so fucking honest man.
Whenever you're ready, bring both arms long overhead for a good morning stretch, breathing in to every cell of our body. Exhaling out, put our arms together, our hands in front of our heart space. Taking this moment at the end of class for gratitude, thinking of something in your life that you're grateful for, and stoke the emotion of appreciation within you. Now think of somebody in your life whom you're grateful to still have in your life, and send them out your blessings of well-wishing, remembering always to be kind to ourselves and kind to others. Friends, it was a pleasure and a privilege to guide you in the practice.
Yes.
And as we always say at the end of practice, bowing together, honoring each other, namaste.
Namaste.
Thank you so much. It was great to have you, Miss Anna, Phyllis, Kathy, Annette, Mar, Sharon, and Ruth. You'll have a great rest of your weekend.
Thank you. Bye-bye. Thank you. Thank you.
Say it better. I muted you.
Namaste. I knew you were going to say that. Namaste. That was the end of the workout, and I did it with, I was sitting on this for most of the time, and it was good for me to sit on that than for me to just be in my other chair, in my regular chair, but that was good, that workout. But yeah, that was the workout session here at home. I think I'm still going to keep my membership because I can go get on the treadmill and still do some more other stuff off in the gym. So I don't think I'm going to give up on that right now. There's somewhere for me to go to get out the house too, but I can go in there and work out for a little bit and do something in there. But yeah, if your day can start off great, it's not too late to make it great, okay? Make it a good day.